back to another Family So today. I am going to be playing Warzone. I'm going to be trying out a new shotgun that just came out. And you can get it by logging on 7 days a week, but you get it on the first day that you log on. So yeah, it's really not that hard to get it. All you have to do is just get on COD and just get it. But yeah, and also I'm going to be trying Lemonade Prime at the same time as a try shotgun. Yeah, it's green. It's like lime. The liquid is green too. Okay. I'm gonna need some assistance. Yeah. Assistance will really help. I'm gonna call my mom. Mama! Oh. Yeah, she's coming, guys. I know. I can't open the bottle. Smells fresh, looks fresh. Okay, I want to try it. Lemonade Prime. In 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, it tastes bad. No. 3 out of 10. Bad. Ew. That's bad. That tastes too much like lemonade. I mean like lime. It tastes like that one Mexican candy that's called limon. It tastes like that one candy. Yeah, sour. Sour. It's insanely sour, like super sour. Yeah, this is about that. Oh yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you the shotgun. It's called Villain. It's cool. 419 barrel. Performance, stock, Salgler, rear grip. Okay, it doesn't look bad. Try it out on some quad. Oh no, I don't want to be on there. I don't want to be on the team, yeah. Guys, every time I die, I'm going to take a sip, 5 seconds of sip from this. That is bad. It's sour. Ew. I like it. Ew. Just more boo. Look how many bundles I have. This is probably the best one I've ever had. The Crash Team, you guys. $1 50 kills in battle. How did I get this thing either way? 1,000 operator kills? See, I think I have one where it's like 2,000 operator kills or something like that. I don't know. Oh crap! I gotta put that on. That looks sick. Oh, I can't find that one when I need 200. I think it's 2,000 operator kills. No, 2,500 operator kills. But yeah, either way, we're gonna be trying out the shotgun. Yeah, my loading screen is so cool. I mean, look. It has a shotgun, I think. I think it's an Expedite. Expedite. Yeah, 8, yeah. Yeah, it's an Expedite 12. That's the wait. I need to edit this right out. So I put bag with really nice. I'll put really nice in there. Look. What else? 8. It's easy. Boom. Where's my street at? It's actually good. It's actually really good, you guys. If I'm being honest, it's actually good. But actually, never mind. That does not count. That See, when I die, that does not count, okay, guys? For a second, I thought my man had a dog on it. I'm about to say. But where am I? Oh, damn. Corner. Where are we landing? Yeah, boy. Here's the thing, I love landing on top of buildings. I'm gonna follow back. The shotgun's actually really good. Teammate, you scared me. How dare my teammate? I'm not shooting. Oh, fuck up. There's people on top. I took out my laser because I don't like lasers if you have like another weapon. You know? Move it. Good man, go! Back. Oh my god! What is going on? Crash. Keep looking. Oh, there. Come here. Someone's in there, I know it. That's a dumb idea. Someone's over there. I see you. I'm ready to get over there. Oh, please. Oh, yeah, please. There's somebody right there. There's somebody right there. Oh my god, I don't see it. Die! One. What's that, buddy? Finish! Oh, crap. Oh! Oh my god, I just saw a man, a big man, in my face. I'm not gonna shoot him. Oh my team. Well, my man's head not built.
I got you.
Well, this shotgun's really good, guys. Yeah, let's try this one. Try that one. Look at that. Why is this almost caught in place? Why is everything in here? Stop. Oh! No. Oh, that was not my teammate! Oh my god! I thought that was my teammate! Go for it. Go for it. Where am I meant to go? Oh, crap. Oh. Run in. Tossing smoke grenade! Wait a second. It's not gonna work. Oh! Yeah. He's right here. I know it. Someone's right there. Someone's here. I know it.
Stun incoming! Throwing smoke!
Yeah, Messi. Come, Messi! I killed the goat. I killed the goat himself. I'm dead. Oh my god. We're dead. Ooh, that's so stressful. Isn't it the worst feeling when you're literally moving but you're dying at the same time? That's the worst feeling. And then you have to go to zone but somebody's camping for you and you know it, and then they kill you. No! Where's my shotgun at? Let me go up. Wait! This game hates me. This game officially hates me. I hate these things. But move!
Enemy down!
You're beaming me. Wait a minute. Where? Oh my god, I hit him! With the SMG. That's crazy. Anyway, dead. Die. How am I missing my shotguns? He has the worst one out ever, because that's for this FR. God, I wish I could turn that chat off. How to turn it off? Wait, is he a guru? Oh. Wait, that's Guru, isn't it? The guy we killed isn't he Guru? I need to drop this. I don't even have a. Yeah. Where's Manzana TV? Finish. Oh crap. Oh, get into the water. Bro, if he dies, you're fucking. Can you use it? My man was even looking at me. My man's died too.
I got
I'm over here and I'm gonna kill him. Watch this play, y'all. Guys. Oh. I'm gonna do it. Now I'm not gonna make it. Behind you. Finish. Ah! Oh my god. Oh, I died. Wait, I think this is the first time I've died. Might as well just give up and wait for company. 5 seconds of sticking, you guys. Ugh, that is bad. Ugh. That tastes like actual lemonade made from actual lemon. Like actual lemon, like coming from a lemonade tree if I can have it. Imagine I hit this. Imagine. Iron Man's died.
Don't worry. This will get you right.
Iron Man's died. There's no one here. My voice. I know I'm sick, you guys. I'm sorry, I'm sick. Oh. Come here. Well, nobody can see me. See?
I got you.
Oh, there's so much little people. I have 10 kills. Then my teammates have been stealing my kills, or am I still here? I don't know. Where the man's go? He got scared, man. Scared him. He lost. What's the bird looking for? Oh! I don't know. Big bomb! Wait, how is man not dead? How is he not dead? How are you not dead? Oh, guys. He was one tap, like one tap. I bet you he was one tap. I love this game. Even though everybody's gonna land on me, I'm gonna get Julio. What's the point of doing this either way? So I think we're gonna win. Oh, that boy? Oh, no. Oh, that boy. I see you. Oh, bruh. Like, my man shot my leg and I'm dead? How does that make sense? Like, that actually makes no sense. Oh yeah, I still one shot shotgun. Go. I literally forgot that I don't even have smoke and knives. I missed. Oh!
Throwing Molotov!
What's going on? Kill him. Kill him already! Go ahead, sniper. Oh. Die! Die! Overtime?
Toss to the decoy!
Why not throw the decoy? What's the point of a decoy? So yeah, I'm gonna do it. Scare him. My man. Bro, I swear to God, but my teammate keeps stealing my kill, bro.
Decoy out!
Bro, teammate, why are you stealing my kills, bro?
Mortar support incoming!
Let's go. I got 13 kills and I only died one time. What is this? Well, literally, that's gonna be the video. Next, Joe friends. Subbing, he got to 57. Start living. Woo! We're at 23. We gained 2 and last one for 3 maybe. And that's good. And I want to thank you all for that. Subbing to my channel, please. Sub, even if you're watching this. Sub if you're not subbed. Or else a spider will come on your bed. And it will crawl on your face. And then it will come behind you and then it will leave. And then it will teleport into your wall. Oh yeah, yeah guys, if you gotta subscribe and share with friends. So if you get to 50 subs, comment down below what you guys want me to do. Prime. Try it, please. Even it's not a sponsor, guys. Not a sponsor. But yeah. Thank you, guys. Bye.